Herghelia Lifestyle Center, joined with Amicus Romania, New Life Bistro, Life Plus Health Magazine, and Sanavita Health Food Company to present the first English edition of Amicus Cuisine, a project promoting healthy lifestyle, healthy cooking, and healthy friendships among the students. 59 unique visitors from 20 different nationalities enjoyed the 4 meetings focused on food for the brain, breakfast for students, food for beauty, and party food. Each meeting consisted of a health presentation, cooking demonstrations, and food tasting.
Hello, my name is Jorge. I am from Ecuador. I am 21 years old. I was part of this Amicus Cuisine cooking demonstrations for students from the University of Medicine here in Târgu Mureș. It was a wonderful experience to share with other people from different cultures and countries. And I think it's a growing project. There's many things we have to correct, many things we have learned. But I think the result of the whole cooking demonstration was really good. We met new people that are very interested in changing their lifestyles to become more healthy. And I'm really glad to be here.
Hey, I'm Andy, I'm 22 and I'm from Germany. I found this project in a Facebook group which was posted in our UMF English department group. Yeah, looking how they made the food, it was really nice to see how they cooked. They explained it really nice, and yes, I would recommend it to anyone. I invited already also 4 friends here.
My name is Gao Shan and I come from China. The most I enjoy is the speech, because from the speech I can learn a lot of knowledge about health. I think here is very relaxed and very free, so I really like here.
Hello, my name is Philip Kang and I'm coming from Canada. The youngest participant, and he's 9 years old, and he's on his way to be the chef. It was wonderful also to be present here with professionals, doctors, dentists, and many people interested in health. And this is what it's all about. We have this great controversy for health, and we need to know how to be on the right side, to stay healthy with our mind, our heart, our spirit, and our body physically as well.
My name is Carolina and I'm 25. I'm a medical student here in Târgu Mureș at UMF, and I was one of the people promoting this project at the university. I was very happy to see that a lot of students showed up, and I thought it was very interesting. I thought the lecturers were very interested, and the doctors did a very good job, and I learned a lot. And also I liked the recipes. They're very practical and teaching us how to do these things at home. So I would definitely go again, and I would definitely invite more people next time also.
My name is Karen. I'm originally from Mexico and I'm 21 years old. I am now volunteering at Herghelia Lifestyle Center, and I was privileged to be part of this amazing project in which we were able to impact the lives of young people and promote health and family values around the community.
Among the favorite recipes were guacamole, vegan cheesecake, and vegan shawarma. If you would like to join us and learn how to improve your health and cooking skills, follow us on our Amicus Cuisine Facebook page. And do not forget, keep it healthy, cook it simple.